Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the automatic controls that fight you. First, go to Settings and turn off ambient light or auto brightness. This prevents sensor-driven jumps. Once done, check any manufacturer extras, smart display, night modes, or battery savers, and disable them so they don't reapply changes. Make sure to close or uninstall apps known to control brightness. Finally, reboot the device to ensure the changes take effect and to clear transient processes that might still adjust the screen. You now lock in a stable brightness. Manually set the slider to the comfortable level you prefer. Use a numeric readout if available for precision. Next, enable any advanced or developer options that lock brightness or prevent apps from changing it, because those system-level locks are more reliable than per-app settings. Once configured, create a named profile, daytime or night, with that exact percentage and apply it. That makes switching predictable. Make sure to test by opening common apps to confirm no changes occur. You finish by removing lingering causes and preparing fixes. Update the OS, display drivers, and firmware so buggy adaptive features are patched. If brightness still shifts, boot into safe mode. This isolates third-party apps. Uninstall any offender. Make sure to test with an external monitor if available, since hardware faults show differently. If nothing else works, reset display settings or perform a factory restore as a last resort. Backup first. A single troubleshooting tip. Check sensor housings for dirt or damage before assuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.